Good morning, shoebox friends. Welcome to my channel on this very peaceful early Sunday morning. I am excited to unbox this box for you today. It's done in a theme that I've never done before, which is a Crayola theme, and it is packed for a boy in the age range of 2 to 4. I used a regular shoebox, maybe slightly larger than an OCC Go box, but not much larger, and I decorated most of the box with this really cute Crayola Crayon border strips. Those were donated to me by a friend, a retired art teacher. She gave me a whole bunch of them, and how cute for this box, right? So it is packed really full, mostly because of the stuffy that I have included in the box. I'm hoping I didn't leave anything out, but if you notice that I did leave one of the essentials out, just comment and let me know. Okay, so when this little boy opens his box, he will see that I also decorated the lid with some of that same border paper and added the phrase with sticker letters, "You are special," hoping to make him feel really happy right when he opens the box. So in the box I have, set it to the side here, I have this really cute stuffy. This is a Ty sorry about that, a Ty Plush Beanie Buddy, and this was in my own collection. I've had it for years. It was just part of a collection, never played with, and so I searched and searched for a plush, a stuffy that would go along with my Crayola theme, and well, I couldn't find any that were in my price range and that were small enough to fit in the box. So what I did was I found this really cute artist's apron and hat, matching hat, as an outfit to put on the bear I already had. I got it from Build-A-Bear Workshop, and it's a little artist apron. It even has little pouches where you can put some crayons, and you can write on this. It's the kind of material that you can decorate like with marker and then wipe it off or wash it off like with washable markers. So that is my cute Crayola bear. He has this cute shirt. I got this from Walmart. It's a Garanimals, size 5T. It has some whales on it, and he has, to go along with his shirt, a pair of shorts. He also has, I only put in one pair of underwear, it's really all I could fit, and a pair of socks. He has a mini recorder. He has a cup, and inside the cup I put a little spoon and fork, a cross necklace from Hobby Lobby, a dry erase eraser to go along with the dry erase mat that I have in the box, an eraser, rainbow eraser, 20 cents from Walmart. He has this cute little silicone ring that says "Sing with Joy," just a little mini car, because I like to put a car in every boy box, even if it's small. A pencil sharpener. This is a dual sharpener with with a cap to catch the shavings. It has the small sharpener for pencils and the larger sharpener for crayons. So that is his cup. He has a puzzle. It's actually a Crayola puzzle. I got these fanny packs at Walmart just the other day on clearance for $1.50, and so I put his puzzle pieces in it. I think it's intended for like a cell phone, but I put his puzzle pieces in here, and I don't have another pencil pouch in this box, so I believe there's room in here where he could add his pencils and other school supplies. But this is a Crayola puzzle. I cut out this piece of the box so that he can see what he's putting together, and then I just cut out this little piece mostly to remind myself to tell you that it was a Crayola puzzle. I got this from the Dollar Tree. So that is his puzzle. He has some Crayola. These are from the Dollar Tree. Crayola number 2 pencils. I left them in the box since I don't have a pencil pouch in this box. But he can easily take these out, and I'm sure they will fit in this pouch along with his puzzle pieces. Some Crayola Super Tips washable markers, classic colors. There's 5 of those in there. So he could use these, I believe, to draw and color on the artist apron on the bear. So that is that. He's got a couple more fun pencils that just remind me of crayons. And my cat's coming to join me here. He has some dry erase erasers. These are also Crayola brand, to go with the dry erase mat that I have at the bottom of the box. My cat is just passing by to jump onto his kitty condo over there. I put in a beach ball. I didn't really have room for a ball, but a beach ball fits very nicely, nice and flat. He has this little hygiene kit, a bar of soap, a comb, a small comb, a toothbrush, and a lip balm, and also for his washcloth, a magic towel, which is actually Mickey Mouse. He has this set of flashcards, same or different. Really nice illustrations on the cards, so even if he can't read in English, he can still identify the pictures on the cards and figure out, which one is the same or which ones are different. I love that little learning set of flashcards. I included these Crayola crayons. They're jumbo crayons. They're really big. So let me know if you think I should switch them out, because I also have Crayola brand smaller crayons. I don't have those medium-sized ones like I usually put in toddler boxes, like with the Crazy Art brand, and these are really big. But they do say on here, easy to hold and hard to break. So I've got those in the box so far. I've got some Crayola stickers. I believe I got these in the dollar spot at Target. They had different colors, and I've included red and blue in this Crayola box. I have a notepad, paper pad, that's Crayola. I also got this from that same retired art teacher who donated the bulletin board strips that I used to decorate the box. Very cute for my Crayola box. I have in here just a note to the child. I I wrote the note on this other paper pad that I got from the retired art teacher, and then I just took the piece off the notepad and I laminated it. So that is the note to the child. And then I've included a family photo. Fun because it is a new photo that I'm putting in my boxes now because we have an addition to our family. My daughter just got married and I wanted to add a photo with her and her husband in the photo. I have 2 paper pads here. Got these at the dollar spot. Well, this one came from Michael's. I'll show you this one first. It has lines in it so that this child can practice writing, but then it also has space at the top to draw pictures, create a story, practice writing. So those are really cute. I love those from Target. But then I also, or from Mike, that one came from Michael's. This one came from Target. It has crayons on it, so perfect for my box. It just has blank paper inside. Then I have a Crayola coloring book. This one is Unicreatures. Very cute images to color and big. They needed to be kind of big because of those jumbo crayons that I have in here. A few games, but not many. And the games are real simple. So I think he'll have fun coloring in his Crayola coloring book with his Crayola crayons or his Crayola markers. And then I have a pair of scissors for school. And this is his dry erase mat. I make these. I usually try to fit the theme. And so I happen to have this scrapbook paper with crayons on it, and then the other side is like a legal pad, yellow legal pad, which I thought was kind of cute too. And then I added this image of this box of crayons, and then so he can use this side to play on, and then this side to write with his dry erase markers and erase with his dry erase eraser, so he can use this over and over again to practice writing and coloring and drawing. And so that is his play mat. And that is all I have in this box. And it seems like maybe there isn't as much in this box as I usually put in because of the large stuffy. Like I said, if you have any suggestions of what maybe I should add, I know I don't have a tote bag. I don't think I can fit one in. So let me know what you think. And thanks for tuning in. Until next time, goodbye for now.